Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure your device is updated and online and that you can use the camera. Open Microsoft Authenticator and tap Add Account. Choose work or school or personal based on the account, then select QR code or manual setup. QR is faster. When prompted, allow camera access so you can scan the setup code. If scanning fails, choose manual entry and type the code. Once done, the app will display a rotating code paired to your account. Now verify and configure your new entry. After scanning the QR or entering the secret, check the account name and change the icon if desired so it's easy to spot. Enable push notifications for one-tap approvals. Make sure notification permissions are granted. If you prefer codes, note the 6-digit rotating code and its timer. Test the setup immediately by signing into the link service. Approve the push or type the current code. This confirms the connection works before you rely on it. Finish by securing the account. Enable Authenticator Cloud Backup or export your accounts to a safe location so you can restore later. Also save recovery or backup codes provided by the service in a secure place. If something goes wrong, first check device time settings. An incorrect clock breaks rotating codes. Make sure the app has network and notification permissions. Sign out and reinstall only as a last resort. If you still can't sign in, use the service's recovery codes or contact account support for account-specific recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.